What is going on, guys? Glad that you guys can make it. And the new people, been trying to get people from the price speculation of DigiByte here. And, I do this as much as I can. Now, I have a chart here pulled up. I'll get to the comments, but I'm glad you're all here. This is CoinMarketCap, okay? What we see here is the all-time chart of DigiByte. So, let's see if I can go. Let's see here. Let's see if I can go get out of this for a second. Well, am I sharing this? What the heck is going on here? Hold on. Something happened. Can't be doing all that. Can't be doing all. Let me reshare this. What the heck? All right, it went haywire. Whatever. Let's get to the charts. All right. Now, look, this ascending wedge pattern that I drew not too long ago, okay, it broke down, but there's still a trend line right here, okay? And there you go with your ascending wedge, all right? It's still up in the wedge. Now, this is a daily. We could have went up, but it went down and it touched right on this fib, all right, on that Fibonacci line, all right? No big deal. Now, we're going sideways. Now, what it looks like to me is it could be a little bit longer before DigiByte can go up, all right? And that's no biggie, all right? So we broke down through the 20 EMA and hit the 50 like clockwork, and we're still in this channel. Now, on the MACD, we're ticking down, but we're still above the zero line, which is bullish, okay? We're not way down here, all right? Now, on the 4 hour, all right, on the MACD, we are down, all right? But that's okay. There's a 4 hour. And when it goes down the 4 hour and then the Stoke crosses up, then we're going to get some bigger moves out of DigiByte. We're going to get a big move up to the zero line, and then we're going to cross again and make it even higher high move, all right? Well, both of these could be higher highs, but we never know. Again, the 4 hour, it's ticking down a little bit. No problem. Expected. Now, on the 4 hour chart, though, we still, we hit the 200 EMA, all right? So we're finding support there, and we're in this channel on the fib. No big deal. It's not like it's the end of the world. It's creating another lower high or a higher low, whatever you want to call it. So we're going sideways. Guys, we could go sideways a little longer, and this means you just accumulate as much as you possibly can, okay? And that's what I'll be doing. Now I'm going to go to CoinMarketCap and pull up this chart I like to see all the time for DigiByte. All right. DGB. Here we go. All right. Let's go over here. Let's end this. All right. And then share what I'm looking at. All right, let me see if I can see that. All right, now I'm going to make it bigger here. I'm going to go to the log chart. All right, and then I'm going to make it bigger. All right, hopefully you guys can see that. I'm going to check for a second. All right, you guys can. Sweet. All right. Now, so we made that first base step, pretty much, what we did that past year, or in March, from the breakout in COVID, and we went sideways for a while, and then we made another large step, okay, and went to our all-time high, all right, basically back here. So we recovered all that, all right, and we're in these channels. Now, since we made a new step, here we are over here. We stepped up once, and then we stepped up the second time. And then what happened is we went sideways for a little while, just like what we did here. We stepped up and we went sideways for a while, and then we finally, made a couple of hills there, and we finally climbed up. Now, same here. One step, two steps sideways for a while, made a hill there, and then blast off. All right, so we could be looking at, let's see, I don't know if this tells you, it's two. We could be looking at from that first step where we are over here from July to January, and we're not even there yet. So this could be like, 4 to 5 months. I mean, it could be sideways action for 4 to 5 months. It could be before we finally go parabolic. Now that's not a guarantee, but that's what I'm seeing on the charts. It could go sooner than that. We don't know. I mean, we are there at right on our retesting our previous all-time high, and we're just equaling out there at any given day, any given time. That we broke that all-time high. We can go up. I mean, it's just like that. Or we can go sideways and go down a little bit. It doesn't matter. We're still in that channel. We're still in the channel. So I'm going to subtract that and go right back to the charts again. Where's my music, man? I'm missing my music. Here we go. Gotta have the music. Some people don't like music. I like music. All right, I'm going to share. Back to the charts. Now, what could this look like? It could look just like this. All right. So we made our two little step climb there and go sideways for a little bit before we started going. All right. So there's our 1, 2 where we're at now, and then we can go sideways for a little bit. Okay. For like a couple months. But this is, guys, this right here is so important. It could be stuck in this channel, all right, for 3 to 4 months. And that's the accumulation zone. And if you're not accumulating, I'm accumulating as much as possible. That's how you stack. You stack your wallet, you stack your bag, you just keep buying when you can. Because DigiByte could go the sideways action until we see something otherwise in the charts. Okay? So we could see that, and that's okay, because we're at the peak of the previous market cycle of DigiBytes. So we're at all-time high. If we're going sideways in this action right here, that's completely bullish, guys. That means we're establishing our ground before we start going parabolic. Okay? And we don't know what that might look like, but this is the scale right here. I mean, you could just see it, right? 1, 2, blast off. There's not going to be a 3. It could right here, could go like this. Well, hopefully you guys can see this. Yes, you can. Okay. It could go like this. Just like that. It could. Let me get rid of this. All right. That's what we could see. You can see it right here. Just like this. Okay? Pretty simple. Or we could do this. Now, this is the more likely scenario because of how the market is running right now. But that's okay. As long as we're up here, it's hitting the 0.618. It's hitting it now. We found support there. We blow it up. We found support there. Okay, that was the pullback. All right. And so we could be in this range for a little bit. Look at the way the EMAs are curling sideways. Okay. But you never know, guys. I mean, this thing, we just found support there. This thing could finally go parabolic over here. All right. We don't know what it's going to look like. I can't sit here and tell you what I think it's going to do with a certainty. You know what I mean? Your guys' guess is as good as mine, but the probable guess from my perspective is DigiByte's going to go sideways for a while and then pop. Now, if it proves me otherwise, great. I'm here with you. Then I was wrong. I mean, I'd rather be wrong and then be here with you and enjoy the fact I can change my mind. But right now, it looks like sideways action. All right? It's kind of like an upway hill sideways action. You can kind of see that, right? Just like that. We could be going up like that. All right? And then there's our ascending wedge. That line there and that line there. All right? We're just hitting this as support. And, you know, hopefully DigiByte can just stay in this triangle right up here. All right? And hopefully these EMAs, the 20 that's dipping below the 50, create a tightening rope, just like it did here, and then goes up. All right? So I just want to demolish these shorters, man. I want to kill these traders. You know, I want to stack as much as I can, and when it goes up, they have to buy back in if they really want to trade this asset. So that's what we could be looking at. And that's overall bullish because we have a little bit longer time to accumulate as much as we possibly can before it goes up. And if no one's accumulating, then this asset's going down, okay? That's just a fact. I mean, if no one's buying this thing and no one's holding and stacking, we're not going to keep these levels, all right? We'll just go down and down and down, all right? So, especially if people are shorting on leverage and all that craziness. But let me remove this. So at this angle right here, we could be looking at something like this. Right here, back up here, test this, and come up here, right? And if we get rejected there, that's fine. We'll come back and retest this again for support. And then finally climb out and go up. Okay? Pretty simple. Let me know down in the comments what you think DigiByte's going to do. Overall, guys, still bullish. You can't deny that. Look at that. Still bullish. Yo, hope all bought the dip. Yeah, guys, that was the dip. You know, I didn't get exactly, what was it? I didn't get in exactly where it dipped on this line because I didn't know that this was going to be the trend line until now. Now that DigiByte hit that trend line, okay, we're up on the our next highest fib level. We did touch it twice down here, guys, at, you know, 9.5 cents. And we went up, right? And looks like it dipped as strong as that little dip. I mean, it's just a little dip, and it hit right here on the top of this fib, okay? So these fib lines are valuable to me, okay? So once DigiByte climbs up here and hits this top, it's going to settle right there. It's going to continue stair climbing these fibs, okay, until it breaks out. All right? That's what I'm looking at. I'm just looking at the momentum on the charts. Just looking at what everybody else can see. There's no mystery here. You know, I had this line a little bit closer up here, but I was cutting through this candle, and, you know, from here to here, and I shouldn't have cut through that candle. I should have just drew the line here. So my last video, guys, with the ascending triangle, this is what it truly looks like now, okay? So make it a little clearer. All right, see what I'm saying? So sorry about that, guys. Just like that. And then the measured move would be from here to here, right? And then it would probably hit this line right here, okay? Or right here. One of those lines. That's a big move. Actually, let's check it out. Let's see what that would be, right? Right. About right there. A measure move. Depends on where we break out, but at this point it doesn't matter because it's all hyperbole. Yeah, right there, guys. So you can pretty much see where the target could be right over here, right? It's blue. Yeah, there you have it. Now, if it breaks down, it'd be that pretty much that same measure move downwards. So that would be right here, about 8 cents. But as bullish as DigiByte is, I mean, because if you go over here to the weekly, we're pretty much just going straight up. I mean, I don't know why we would be going down, right? But even on the MACD and the TSI, this is the TSI, the histogram, we're still going upwards. So it's kind of coming down. So this is why we could go sideways. It could look like this again and go sideways upwards and then continue to go up. It could go like this. It could go rounding, right? It could go round and then finally go up. But for right now, there's too much separation on the weekly to say this is going down. Okay, so it might take a little bit, unless Bitcoin, goes to $40,000, then this is finally going to tick down. You know what I mean? And if it crosses here, then we're going to go down. And then you just pay attention to the daily, right? The daily we're down, but we're still above the zero line, so we're still bullish, man. Look at the last climb we had, right? And I'll show you what this looks like, right there. The first move we had with Atom ID and Microsoft, and then the humble stuff right here. But look where we are. See, we went up and we crossed down, and we stayed above the zero line. But technically, we didn't go below the zero line. We weren't like back here. Like this would have took us down. We got rejected and came back down, and then finally fought through the zero line and went up. But that's not what happened. We never went down that low, and that's why it was continuously going upwards, sideways. So that's what I'm banking on now. Even if the MACD goes down to the zero line like this, right, from where we are now, I don't think so. I think it's just going to go like this. I think we're just going to go gradually like that and eventually tick upwards and cross that. The Stochastic is going to tick upwards and finally go up. Okay, again, all right, and then find its high, right? So even if it goes like this, all right, that's the moves that we're looking at. We're not going straight, down like this because it's just not showing us. We're having a lot of people accumulating. Okay, I'm going to remove drawings. All right. So why don't you guys tell me what you guys think? Yeah, it just got bought right back up. We're still bullish, man. Back to the 20 on the daily. 20 EMA. Right on. I like it. All right, what are you guys saying? Let's go. Thank you, Longmeadow. Shazad. Stack them. That's all you can do. Lucas Q. When is this starting? Now. Yeah, sorry, man. Some people don't like my long intros, but that's just how I roll. What's up? What's up, Marker 80? Digi. Scallywag. So intense, but keeping calm. Yeah, it is pretty intense, man. It is pretty intense. We found support. But that's because people are accumulating. It really is. I'm going to draw that ascending triangle again, right? I'm going to draw it. I could use the, what do you call it? The pitchfork again. But it's not really showing anything. It's not really showing anything different, right? So, oh yeah, this is a daily, so we could actually move it down here. Let's go down here. Just playing around, man. Does that look straight? Guys, I'm blind, man. I am so blind. So it could be a little bit longer, man. A little longer, but this gives you incredible time. When everybody's buying these dips, you know, they're not buying up here. They're buying every dip. And we could see another dip before we start climbing out of this thing and busting out, right? We could. Come on, make it straight, script. All right, there we are. Still bullish. This candle, the red candle, still in the 20 EMA on the daily. We found support on the 50. We never broke through. I mean, there's still a huge separation here between the EMAs. Look at the huge separation. And we're up here now. So, yeah. It's not straight. Dang. All right, there we go. My OCD, man. Just dropping another 2,000. Nice. That is nice. How do I get DigiByte to my Ledger Nano? I believe you do it on a DEX, or yeah, you send it. You buy DigiByte from a swap exchange like Change Angel, and you put your Ledger in, right? And you send it to that address once it's in. So I think you can go on a DEX and you buy DigiByte on a DEX, and your Ledger Nano's in there, right? And you just send it to your hardware wallet. Elkie, hey bud, what's going on, Elkie? Sniff, I was listening to the founder of DigiByte talk to this crypto guy who also practices remote viewing. Yeah, I did see that too. DigiByte founder was interested in remote viewing. Remote viewing is witchcraft. I don't think he was. Look, he was invited to be on there. I don't think Jared was literally into it, because what did the guy say? He said, did you watch my remote viewing of you and Rudy? And he was like, no, I haven't had the time, but I heard about it. Right? He was like, yeah, I'm interested in remote viewing. It's always interesting. You could tell that Jared Tate wasn't into that. You know, I mean, he got invited on that show because that guy, you know, likes remote viewing, and his followers are remote viewers. But you could tell that Jared was not like into it. You know, he was invited. He didn't want to, you know, tell people no. You know, no, I am not going on your channel. Hey, what's up, Tori Lee Powers? How you doing, cowboy? I'm still buying DigiByte though. Me too. Howdy, brother. Discover, level up. ScriptNet. I found a hidden gem in videos. Nice. What's the hidden gem? I don't understand. I'm debating whether or not I should trade all my XLM and XRP for DigiByte. Well, I'm not telling you what you should do. I can't do that, right? I can tell you this. It does look like XLM wants to do something. You know what I mean? I looked at that. So you might want to hang on to your XLM, you know. So, but I'm more, you know me, I'm all DigiByte, right? Be smooth. What's up, Script? You're the man. Go back and check your intro. I'll come back. Okay. All right. Yeah. Everybody loves the intro. DigiByte, let's go. When is Mooning Day? Mooning Day is every day. For the Moon Boys, right? But as you can see on the charts, it's in a giant ascending triangle. So we have plenty of time to go sideways for, a few months. Actually, 2.5 months. Is that what it says? Oh, let me look. Yeah, right? To the end of June. So, a month and a half, or 2 months. Oh, my wife's home. So just for that triangle, though, just for the pattern, you got 2 months. Get it? When's Rob E? Yeah, Rob. You guys know that guy was talking a bunch of FUD. He was accusing the DigiByte Foundation, all this stuff. I had to ban him. Just a swipe of the key, boom, done. Right? Swipe the key. Boom, done. I can't stand that. I gave him a chance. I gave him a chance to prove his case, and he didn't want to do it. SL. I said SI before. Lucas. Search on DigiByte on Ledger Live and sync it. Search on YouTube how to connect coins to it. All right, guys. Helping people in the chat. That's what's important. I'm mooning all day. Just need to wash my... Okay. Who doesn't like music, right? You're challenging my beard, I see. Well, I actually shaved last month. Was it last month? 2 months ago, maybe? Yeah. You guys remember when I shaved. I have my DigiByte in Uphold. Oh, you got Uphold for DigiByte? And I want to put them in the ledger. I don't think you can take your... Correct me if I'm wrong, guys. I don't think you can take your DigiByte off Uphold. Kind of like a Robinhood kind of deal. But I heard they were working on it, so don't hold your breath, though. I wouldn't be buying any more DigiByte on a platform that won't let you take your coins off of it. It's not your keys, not your crypto, right? What's up? Noam Tech. Sniff. Uphold won't let you take Digi. Yeah, that's right. So I should have read the next comments. Yeah, you can't get your DigiByte off Uphold. There is no withdrawal. They're stuck there until they make that happen. Uphold is the key word. Yeah, they uphold your crypto. Read my previous comment. Yeah. I'm holding long-term XRP and DGB. Bro, just check your intro. Good stuff. Every time that and your charts. Thank you. Yeah, you're welcome, man. I'm here for you guys. I hope you guys, that's what you got, the buy the dip mentality, right? Look at the wick. To me, that's how bullish DigiByte is. Look at that wick, man. Look at the wick. Yeah, Atomic Wallet, Exodus, Coin Exchange. Oh wait, Coin Exchange doesn't exist. Forget that. don't use Coin Exchange. Um, Bittrex. You can use Change Angel. You can use and soon, guys. Soon we're going to be able to use DigiAssets.com exchange. So I'm waiting for that asset creator to be done, and then we can interview and see that glorious DigiByte website that uses on-chain analysis and assets creation. Can't wait, and you can buy your DigiByte there and swap it and all that great pairing stuff. Atomic Wallet, 5% charge. Yeah, all those swap things, man, they charge you quite a bit. Accumulation time, that's right. I used to talk charge with my girl. Reason she left me, she's back. She'll be back, yeah. Yeah, she'll be back, man. When she started making those digis, man. When I talk about charts to people that are in crypto, they're like, you can't time the top. You don't know when to get in and all this jazz. You're right, you can't. But when you have the charts, you got an edge, all right? Because the charts read something. You have an edge more than those people that you're just drawing lines and patterns. You're an idiot. Tom, hi brother. No worries on DGB. No worries, man. No worries. It's all good. I'm here for the Coinbase. You here for the Coinbase pump? What's up, AGOG? What's going on? This music is bullish. I kind of like it. What's going on in crypto? Oh, so what's your prediction? My prediction. We try not to make predictions. I mean, when you look at the charts, you can see DigiByte's going up, right? I mean, just look at the weekly, right? It's going up. My prediction is it could go up. You know, I can't give you an exact target number. The problem is if I had the whole chart of DigiByte's lifespan, I could draw you guys a line and basically show you without telling you, right? But I can't do that because TradingView doesn't have everything for DigiByte. All right. So, I mean, I could draw fibs, right? See what happens there. See if I can give you a fib. All right. Well, you can see where it is, man. You can pretty much see where the fib ends, right? I mean, that's just for scale. That's for people that, you know, use the fib. And when you look at DigiByte here, it looks to be respecting the fib. It goes up, blasts through, gets rejected, goes down, goes up, or finds support, goes up, blasts through, get rejected, goes down, finds support, blasts through several channels here, goes down a couple channels, go up 3 channels, go down 2 channels, and this is the weekly. And there's only so much of this you can do until you just go parabolic. Okay, that's why these channels are smaller. It's a big base down here. These channels are smaller. Once you get out of all this resistance, there's all-time high, and then now you have bigger channels to go through, much widening channels, way bigger channels. See, we got a couple medium channels, but bigger channels, man, bigger swings. Okay, Then it starts tightening up with smaller channels, right? And yes, we could blow past the last channel, okay? We absolutely could do that, but I can't give you a prediction. I mean, we just gotta look at the charts, right? Just gotta look at the charts, and that's where your edge is. All right. Still majorly bullish. That's all I can say. Until we're down, until we're actually going down, guys, and we're not going this uphill, like this parabolic move. I mean, if you go to the monthly, we're going straight up. I mean, look at that, right? There's a monthly. Every month is a candle. All right. So yeah, I mean, these candles are getting bigger and bigger, guys. Bigger and bigger, and smaller red candles. That means bigger green candles. Okay. You just see where it could go. All right. We probably have, roughly 3 to 6, 7 months till no more bull market. So, yeah. Get my drift? And I just can't give you a prediction. I have 4,000. Let's go. Let's do it. We found support on this 618. What is it, 618? Yeah, the 618 right here on the monthly. We bounced right off of it. Got bought halfway up through the fib, and we're going we're going ascending. We're ascension. And that's where it's all going. Okay. Can't make this up, man. Can't make it up. Fibonacci says $2 long term. Oh yeah, if you start from the very bottom where DigiByte hit, I don't know, it was like 15th of a penny, something like that, and then scale up. Yeah, trying to talking charts with my woman, they don't give a dang how we got it. Only how much we got. Oh, yeah. Evening chaps, what's going on, Kryptonite? I'm going to name my son Fib for Fibonacci. Yeah, and he could be lying to you. Get ready for a bunch of lies, those cute little boogers. Lee Musician, what's going on? That's your prediction? 1.8 to 2.8 next year by the end of the bull month? Next year? That would be an extension bull run, right? That'd be an extended bull run. If that happens, guys, we are in a new era of Bitcoin and cryptocurrency. Yeah, but the cycle ends November, December. If it goes according to plan, every 4 years, every 3 years, then a year bull cycle, right? Bull market. So 3-year bearish, 1 year bullish after the halving. That's how that works. Something like that, year and a half, whatever. But if we get an extension, guys, we're in uncharted territory. We don't know what to expect, right? Bought at 14 cents today, and it dropped to 12. It's only a couple cents, man. You're only talking about a couple cents it dropped? DigiByte sneezes that to the upside. Don't trip. Don't trip. Digi to the moon. Kryptonite. I'm seeing 50 cents for July. Possibly. Rory Pratt. How you doing? Robinhood talking about DigiByte today. Robinhood? Really? What are they saying? Sorry, we won't let you buy it. I don't know. I don't know what Robinhood does. They add it. We ain't stopping it. Oh, they added it. Cool. 25 cents. Enjoy today's discount and stack DGB. Cheers. That's all I'm doing, guys. There's no, man, me personally, that's how you stack. You stack on the downside and sideways motion. And then when it goes up, you're ahead of the traders. Traders are trying to leverage from the breakout. But if you're stacking and accumulating underneath the breakout, you're doing, and you don't have to risk anything except if it goes down. Traders, they go all in or trade with some capital on leverage, and they have a stop loss and all that, but it's a risk, man. It's still a risk. It's also a tug of war, man, because of shorts and leverages and all that craziness. I don't even want to get involved in that. Stop losses and stuff. I try to put in a limit order, right, on Bittrex, and I woke up the next morning, it was gone. Like, and of course, DigiByte never went that low, but like Bittrex didn't save my limit order, right? Or not my yeah. I mean, I don't understand. Don't get it. Last 2017 bull run, DGB did 650x, in a year. It's a patient game. It is. Nice info, Roy. Whoa! I skipped a lot of people here. Sorry, man. Where is it? Nice info, Roy. Let's see. Man, I skipped a lot of people here. Go down. I see a lot of people in the chat. I think I saw. What's up, Angelos? What's up, everybody? Crypto Iguana, hi there. We're getting ready to explode in a few weeks. Let's go. Well, we already got our move to the downside, so now that we're buying that back up, Roy says, anytime it was an article, basically copy and paste from CNCB broadcast the other day, posted on the website. I'm not familiar with CNCB. Long Meadow, if DigiByte doesn't hurry and get too expensive to buy, then my wife is going to leave me for buying so much DigiByte. It doesn't have to hurry because it's going up. DigiByte's ahead. It's ahead. It's good that's going sideways on all-time highs, guys. It's good because when DigiByte finally breaks out, it's not like Doge where it just deflates in price or inflates in price, like it just keeps putting coins. That's not how it works, right? We mint it slowly but surely through miners. It's not inflated. It has a hard cap of 21 billion. So, I mean, if DigiByte's doing this, let me find out what happened to my music, man. Yeah. Okay. It's not being, there's not a bunch of coins being printed to flood it to go down, right? We have no burning process, no nothing. It's just hard cap, 21 billion. We got a little over 14 billion circulation. Everybody's buying it up. I mean, it's one of the cheapest cryptos out of the blue chip cryptos you can buy, and it hasn't been fully captured yet with the buying power, but it's about to. I mean, because this is our previous all-time high right here. Okay, we're there, right? This is that range. This whole range, man. I mean, from here to here, from what was it, 18 cents that we hit to 11.50. Our previous all-time high was like 14.50. This is a huge range, guys. If you're gonna accumulate, let me move it over. Okay. If you're gonna accumulate, it's in this range. All right. Let's go back to the daily. And it's going. You see the freaking buying pressure pushing the candles upwards, making new channels. Okay. Look at the support. Look at the support here. All right. Look at the support here. Look at the support here. Look at the support here. And then this is going to be support. Then we're just going to go up and make new support. It's going to go up. It's going to come down, make new support on these fibs, and then it's going to climb right back up to support channels. And then we're going to go up. Now, I got to give the other scenario. We could go down, and we can go down, and we can go down, and then maybe slowly climb up, and then go down. That I don't see that anywhere. Like, sorry guys, like this is absolutely going up. Until this thing starts going down, I'm not going to tell you it's going down. All right. Now we could have small moves, right? Small moves. Small moves down. There it is. It went down. Oh, 2 pennies. It went down. Oh, 2 pennies. Actually, that was like what? 5 pennies. This is 2 pennies. So when it goes up, it's going to make maybe 1 penny loss, then break out. Of course, this is what? On the 4 hour. Looks beautiful. I mean, really beautiful. Looks just like this over here. Right? Looks just like that. Actually, this one, man, I hate these non-straight lines. Right? Actually, you know what this one did? This one did this. It was down here. I mean, it broke out here, 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 here. All right. And then, yeah, it broke out right here. That's where it broke out. I remember. And then retested that triangle. See that? Right there. Broke out, retested, fib, this fib line, went sideways for a little bit, and then we broke out. Next fib line, resistance, support, fib line, busted through, went halfway here. This is a big range, so it was like, you know, price discovery. Big range, didn't have to hit this line. It did here though, didn't it? That was after price discovery. I mean, it's because we're trying to get it back. But we're making a higher low, so that's good. And we should make higher highs here shortly. Now we need to buy all this back up. We can make it super bullish. Get this candle above these EMAs. Get above this line. Man, we'd be super bullish then. But otherwise, we're just gonna go sideways until we break out of this channel. Oh yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Binance have DGB buy and send to Ledger. Okay, there you go. If you want to use Binance, remote viewing is a gift. So is prayer and supplication. So is the one who came and died for my sins. The gift of God. She'll be back. I'm sorry, bro. You lost your girlfriend, man. Just stop talking about the charts. Just be cool. You got to know when to speak and what to say to girls. You know what I mean? Oh, you're going to win her back by, remember that chart thing I was telling you that we split up about? Yeah, I was right. And then she's like, what were you right about? I drew some lines and DigiByte went up. It doesn't matter as long as it gives DGB some, yeah. Let's everybody see it. Everybody watch DGB. Busy Bound, oh yeah. That's a no-brainer. The people who grow impatient with XRP will regret it. Same with DGB. I mean, even if you're in Bitcoin or any asset, if you're in crypto, patience is like, very short. Like everything gets like fulfilled really quick to me. I mean, I've been in for, since the last bull run. So 2017 and beginning of 2018. Yeah, even if it was going down for the next 3 years, man, in a bear cycle. I remember it going up big percentages. So everybody can still make money in the bear cycle. Noamtech, do a simple check, make transfers and coins between wallets. All right, guys, I'm going to have to shortly get off here soon. Nothing makes her attracted to you like a chart. Oh, talk, yeah. Hello, bro. What's going on? Leo. Last month. Seriously, crypto is a medium-term game. If you can't hold your keys for a few years, you're going to sweat a lot. What do you expect DGB to coming out of this pattern? Well, it could go sideways in this ascending pattern until what it says on the charts right here. So, right, July, the end of June, beginning of July. But I mean, it's right here. This is the 75%. This is June 21st, right? Right here. Oh, I'm sorry. Hold on, the 4th of June. But the end of the pattern is 23rd of June. All right. So it's like a month away, guys. So I hope you guys can stack as much as you can. All right. That's not financial advice, by the way. I just say those things because I'm just talking, You stack as much as you can. But I'm sorry, it's not financial advice. I'm not trying to tell you to do it. I like Abra. I try to get on Abra, but they won't let me. They restricted my my state. They hold you up. I tell her buy the dip. She starts twerking. Script, talk a little bit more about Mr. Mesa video. I sent you yesterday about Digi versus ETH. Yeah, I mean you got BAAS. That's Bitcoin and DigiByte protocols. And yeah, it takes a little bit more of a person that's really knowledgeable to create dApps for that kind of blockchain. Okay, so without clogging the chain, like the dApps on chain for Ethereum, DigiByte, you shouldn't have to clog the chain. You should just touch it, and you should be able to, link. Okay, you just let DigiByte be smooth and fast. You don't want to bog all that. You don't want to bog it down. Like you don't want to put all that, you don't want to bloat the chain. Unlike Ethereum, that's why Ethereum has, scaling issues. I'm not going to say they're not going to figure it out. I'm just saying they're so popular that Ethereum has scaling issues, and that's why your gas fees are so freaking high. As long as we don't put dApps on DigiByte, we're not going to have that issue. All that we need to do is build and peer in and touch it and peg it with DigiByte. That's all we have to do. Bought the dip, son. Yeah, and that guy also, Shazad. By the way, that guy also, he didn't see anything, no dApp development for Bitcoin, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, DigiByte, Dash, none of that stuff. So he doesn't like the BaaS for scaling because Ethereum and platforms like it are already ahead of the game in the DeFi movement, but you got problems. You got problems there with gas fees and all that scaling issue. And now other chains are fixing that, right? But again, you're going to have to be extremely smart and talented developer to tap into DigiByte's protocols and do something without bogging it down, right? That's the way I see it. I mean, does that make sense? He's completely against the BaaS model, all right? I'm not. I'm for the BaaS model. That's DigiByte. Bought the dip, son. DigiByte will be there after U.S. regulations, and for that, I'm bullish here and years out. That's right. Now, this is what I was going to say. Bahalana, what's up? The economic ninja just jumped in, probably like 30 minutes ago. Big green candle inbound. Ninja in the house. Tom says agreed. Man, you guys are just talking away, man. Papa Ninja, Blue Sky predictions. Start tax planning now because you are about to see some gains. Oh snap, the ninja's in the house. Ninja, Oki says. Tom, will there be an IRS 2022? Man, I think we need to just pay our taxes in the network automatically and have the network profit. Just like those gas fees. I mean, if we're paying fees like that for gas fees on Ethereum, I mean, why are we being taxed on top of that? I mean, I guess everybody needs to make their money. Ninja. CNBC. Okay, yeah. DigiByte on CNBC. Great stuff. 21 mil. What? No. DigiByte cap 21 billion. Oh, the cap is 21 million. Yeah. Currently, the cap. Gonna run out of DigiByte, man. 21 billion, bud. Last mined in 2035. Oh, 21 billion makes it, yeah. Hey, Script, what's up? Chief Hindsight Analyst. I'm not worried about my wife or child. Keep me from mass DigiByte accumulation. Love you. Love you too, man. Guys, I did an interview with Chief Hindsight. If you guys want to check that out, it's in my playlist down on my channel with all the DigiByte Comm Talks. Buy a new one. Yeah. Buy a new girl. You mean a hooker? All right, guys. That's renting. That's renting. Okay. Sean West, what's going on, man? What's going on? Oh, here we go. BG1968100 says, what percentage in favor of DGB getting listed on Coinbase this year? I don't know, man. They got like iExec on there before Coinbase, or DigiByte before Coinbase. And I have no idea, man. I know that Rudy and the DigiByte Foundation are in talks with Coinbase. It's positive. Coinbase has not said, no, we don't want to talk to you, right? They're in talks. I don't think you can stake Digi. Not at this current time. You can mine it, though. You can mine DigiByte. I'm checking in, a huge fan of DGB small holder. Yeah, man. DC Heron. Check it out. Accumulate. Hey, listen, you got a whole month or two before, DigiByte completely goes parabolic. That's what it shows on the chart anyway. Personally, I'm hating Ethereum right now. Yeah, personally, I'm hating Ethereum because of tax fees. Personally, I'm hating Bitcoin because of how slow it is. Sean, I believe you have to attach it to REN. What, REN DGB? I don't exactly know the process, but you can stake it for sure. Oh yeah, okay, so yeah. When it's when there's a pool, like a staking pool, like a redeeming pool, like 1 inch and REN DGB. Hopefully we can get like REN DGB also on like, what is it, Aave and Bancor. That's the goal, and then you can like, do all that. Right on. Thanks. Bitcoin. All right, guys. That's it. That's all I got. I got to do my Devo for my prayer group tonight. Script's gotten it out.